Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Subway Surfers. So this is the home page of Subway Surfers. So for first we'll know what and all is this top run. When I click top run, I get this high scores, my high score. So you should make your score higher. Then you could get, then you can go to menu here and you have me. Let's look at what is me. So these are the awards. These are the characters. There are many characters. These are boards. These are also many. These are awards. You should get it. You should try to achieve them. Then what is shop? So these are shop. Okay, you should pay some money so that you can use this mystery box, hoverboard, score booster, head start, and many other. Okay, so let's play it once. So this is how the sound is. There's an ad. So let's resume. 2, 1. Oh, I've died. See, I have completed this part of my game, so that I will get now. So let's see what I've completed now. Let's move to home first. For that, I got something. Here I got a reward, that is coin counter. Wow, I got some keys with the bronze award. So you can also get this if you collect exactly 30 coins in one run. Let's play once again. So you have free ad and save key. So now there is an ad because I have choose that. But then too I lost. So this is how you have to play the game. Okay, you can also play and win rewards in this. It is a nice game. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay then, bye for now.